Hello everyone, my name is Ellie. I am the acting teacher for Carney Academy in Sheffield. This video is suitable for anyone ages 14 up to adult, and today I'm going to be walking you through a vocal warm-up. So we're going to look at 3 different warm-ups. The first one is just exercising our jaw. The second one is looking at consonant sounds, and our third exercise is looking at breath control. So generally speaking, we carry lots of different tension all over our body, but one place that is really common is to carry tension in your jaw. So before you do any kind of vocal warm-up, it's really important that you address that and just warm up your jaw. So the first exercise I'd like you to do is just find where your top jaw meets bottom jaw. You're going to take 2 fingers, apply a little bit of pressure between the 2 and pull down towards your chin. And you can do that at either side. So you take 2 fingers, a little bit of pressure, and then pull down towards your chin. Once you've done that a couple of times, that will open up your jaw muscle. You want to open your mouth and rock your bottom jaw from side to side. Again, that will just give you a really good chance of having good diction. Second exercise I'd like you to try is your consonant sounds. So generally speaking, when we do a vocal warm-up, you'll find that everyone really goes to exercise their vowel sounds, which is fantastic. But vowel sounds are really heavily linked to emotion. So when you're just practicing your diction, a really good place to start is actually your consonants and then moving on to your vowel sounds second. So we're going to look at consonants first. So with consonants, we're looking at your mouth in 3 different places. So front, middle and side, and back. So we're going to focus on making 3 different sounds, practicing those and then increasing speed. So the first sound I want you to make is a B sound. So that's front of the mouth, pushing air forward and out. B. Second sound is middle and side, and that is a D sound. So we've got B, D, and then the last sound is G, and that's right at the back of your mouth. So we can repeat that a few times. So we've got B, D, G, B, D, G. And then what we can do is do that in reverse. So that's G, D, B, G, D, B, and see if you can increase the speed. When we increase our speed and start to play with those sounds, you'll find that you're able to play with diction a little bit more. So you'll be able to move from sounds nice and clearly, nice and fluidly. Last one, which I personally think is the most important part of a vocal warm-up, which is your breath control. So when you're on stage, it's really important to be able to have excellent diction and projection at the same time. And breath control is what can give you that. So when we're breathing all the way down into our core muscle or our diaphragm muscle. So we're taking really deep breaths. Almost imagine that you're breathing into your gut. So as you're breathing in, you're going to count to 8, and then you're going to hold that breath for 2 seconds. Then you're going to exhale that breath for 10 seconds. You're going to repeat that a few times. So inhaling for 8, holding for 2, exhaling for 10. And then you can increase those by 2 seconds each time. So exhaling for 10, 12, 14, all the way up to 20 seconds if you can. By doing that, what you're doing is exercising your ability to sustain breath, holding breath, and you'll find that your projection and diction on stage will be more controlled. So thanks very much. That's it from me. See you soon.